In this video, I show you how to fix Wi-Fi automatic disconnecting problem or how to fix Wi-Fi keep disconnecting problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to your phone settings, then click on search settings. Now search for reset. Click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on it. Then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile, Bluetooth again. Then reset settings. Enter your PIN code or password. Then tap on reset settings. Then go back. Now click on again search settings. Search for developer option. Now click on developer option. Scroll down. Then find out Wi-Fi scan throttling. Enable it. Then click on mobile data always active. Disable it. Now connect your Wi-Fi. After enter your password, then connect your Wi-Fi. Then click on settings icon. Scroll down. Then enable this. If you disable, enable this auto connect. After doing this all process, now I hope that this method fix Wi-Fi automatic disconnecting problem. If this method not working for you, then problem on your router, turn off your router, then turn on again, then connect. If this not working, then call your ISP. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.